Like everyone else, we went to the South by Southwest Festival this year. Like everyone else, we love barbecue. But the best barbecue is at Salt Lick, 1.5 hours away from the conference. So we brought a Salt Lick barbecue truck to the people.
Let's get some free barbecue.
This is amazing.
We love it. Awesome.
Salt Lick?
We let everyone know where the truck was by ambushing the whole city with street projectors.
Yeah, that was cool. That was really cool, actually.
And a Twitter feed. These never-used-before mobile projectors hijack the lines at all the cool parties that other people paid for.
This is fucking delicious.
JWTBBQ.com let you see where the meat was, how much was left, but even better, asks the truck to bring the meat to you. For 2 nights, the truck went wherever people tweeted. People went crazy for the meat.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And our idea.
Yeah, I follow you guys on Twitter. I've been telling my friends all day, I need to get some JWT Salt Lick Barbecue.
JWT BBQ.
JWT BBQ, best barbecue.
Yes.
So JWT was remembered for doing something unique to South by Southwest, rather than just throwing another industry party.
We've been drinking for 3 hours.